You want to know how to live in an airport for 7 days for free? Then watch this video till the end. And please, don't forget to subscribe.
Is toothbrush. We're going to see what we're going to find. In the airport, everything is expensive. Now I'm waiting the train to go to Terminal D.
What's up?
Do you work here?
I do. Where are you going?
I am going to the moon.
Going to Mars.
No, only Elon Musk is going there. I didn't want to tell him that I live here because he works here. Let's see what we have here. The security. I have $27 from the money that I collected yesterday. I think I'm going to get this toothbrush.
$378.
There is no special price for a person looking good like me. Ooh, we have $23 and some change. We have to spend them very wisely. I didn't brush my teeth for 3 days now. Oh, so much better, guys. That's a cool part of the airport. This is good, guys. Look at this. I can sleep here tonight. It's pretty comfortable, this area, and it's free.
Yeah, pretty good.
Oh, how many people? Hello, people? No response. Want to leave my bag here and leave it in God's mercy. Going to explore.
I was extremely cold, so I went to see if I can find a hoodie.
Hello, how much is this?
It's $32.46.
I only have $23. How I can make another $10?
I can actually take this and you can use your credit card.
I don't have any credit cards. Maybe I can ask some people.
Well, he's short $10.46. You want to help him out? Who? This guy.
I'll give you $5.
Thank you so much.
Oh, see, come on, we're coming there. We're getting there. We're getting there. We need $4.46. I'll pay the people.
Really?
Safe
Thank you
travel.
so much for paying for this.
Stay warm.
I feel like a normal human being. Oh my god, I want to dance. Hello, sir.
Hi. What can I do for you?
Do you know what's the best game ever created?
I don't. What is the best game?
Empires and Puzzles.
Okay.
Did you ever heard of it?
I've not.
Do you want to search it up on App Store? Empires and Puzzles. You already started playing it, okay?
I'm in here.
There is a way for me to play against you.
No, cool.
This is exactly what it's about. So you play all this stuff, and also all this here is your characters, and you can get better characters. There is 400 characters and more, and it's fun because it combines the 3 puzzle theme with the role playing.
So far, it's been pretty good. Very easy. Might become a full user on it. I like the puzzle games. That's usually what I do when I have a few extra minutes anyways. So these are the perfect games for me.
Guys, I didn't pay him to say that, I promise.
Go now, please, and download Empires and Puzzle through my link in the description.
Keep playing the game, my friend. He actually did like the game. So this part of the airport is the biggest probably. It's like huge. You will not believe this. I just sneaked again inside a lounge. Look at this. Everyone there is waiting in the line, and because the receptionist is busy, she didn't show me. I went inside. Now it's time for food. It's like I'm in the best hotel in the world. I feel like a king. Hello, can I have Perrier with lime? Thank you so much. Sir, cheers. To beautiful life.
You got it.
How much you paid to be inside here?
32.
32. And you think it's worth it?
Yeah. Get something to eat or drink.
And find some cool people around you like me?
So you just bounce around?
Yeah, I sneaked inside here.
Haha. You can get away with it.
Yeah, so far in 3 lounges like this. Do you think there is security in the airport watching me?
As a building inspector, they have monitors that you have no idea. Believe me, Big Brother's watching.
He started teaching me stuff about life, and time passed so quickly, but suddenly I remembered that I left my bag in the other side of the airport.
I think the security's gonna pick it up.
Hopefully my bag is not stolen. I'm talking with this guy for 5 hours, so hopefully my bag is still there. Oh my god, I started worrying now. Let's see. Yes, my bag is still here. That was good. I made a friend. Make a friend in the airport. Check. Going to work out. Now time lapse of me exercising.
After the exercise, I went to sleep in the beautiful sofa I found.
So today I will not sneak inside the lounge, but I will show you a way to eat for free in the airport without money. To search the dumpster.
You are looking for something?
Yes, food. Let's see. So as you can see, an apple. So this is an apple for free.
Yeah, there you go. Go wash it off.
Yes, not much food here. Do you have any leftovers left? Hello.
Can I take a picture with you?
Hello.
I get you something there.
This is crazy that I found a person. Oh my god. Thank you so much, brother. Oh, free food. Free food tastes the best. Oh.
You in school?
Yes, I found this in the trash and I'm eating it. I think the dumpster in these places, they are cleaner than people think. Buy trash. So I will show you step by step how do I sneak inside the lounges. Thank you. You just walk in from the left.
Welcome back.
Hello, sir. You remember me from yesterday?
Yeah. I don't think it's good that people started to recognize me because they might report me to the security.
Have a nice time.
Thank you. Not sure if this is good. Honestly, this is peak fun for me. I get to work, have unlimited free food. Like, it's amazing. Oh my god. I'm the last person leaving tonight. Good night.
See you soon. Maybe tomorrow?
Maybe tomorrow. I've been a lot of time in this section of the airport and I need to go to a different section tonight for the security to not notice me. It's a mystery, guys. If security is watching me, yes or no. In the past 5 minutes, I saw 3 policemen passing by me, another one behind me. Or they are scouting at me, or they just finished work. One of the two. Let's leave immediately this side. I'm alone in a place full of cameras and everyone can see me. So there is camera there. Not a good sign. I don't see anybody here. I'm literally alone in this side of the airport. This will be my bed for the night. One thing that I like here, there is no camera. So I've been working for 5 hours for a future video that you are going to love.
And I need your help. For the past year, I've been filming a video hugging 100 celebrities, and I have 99 now. And the last person will be Elon Musk. But I don't know where to find him. The only place I know he's at is Twitter. I uploaded a video explaining why Elon should give me a hug, and after you finish this video, please go and retweet that video. So Elon see it and agreed to give me a big hug.
Good night, people. I just woke up and I had the best sleep of my whole life. Day 5, baby! That person that worked in that lounge yesterday, I'm going to find him and see his reactions when he sees me again for the 3rd time. Hello, people! Everyone is on hurry to catch their flight, but I'm chilling. I have a cute girl behind me. Which one is your favorite YouTuber?
Emma Chamberlain.
Yeah, I like her as well.
While I was walking, I found another subscriber.
Hey, subscribe.
Yes! Yeah, I forgot. You need to subscribe in my YouTube channel. You watched my videos before?
Yeah, watch you. You're pretty funny. He's keeping it real. No fake friends.
Have a great day. Do I smell bad? No. No? I didn't shower for 2 days and I was worried. I think I smell bad. That's why we're going to shower. Shower, baby. He's out there. Yesterday you told me to come again, right?
Yes.
So that's why I came to see you. I feel amazing after the shower. So my vacation is ending in 2 days. I want to see actually if they can get me. So tonight I will sleep in the same place I slept yesterday, and tomorrow night as well. And this will be the evidence to see if the security is watching me. Sir, good night.
Bye. Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
I have to leave immediately. I just see only workers. There is nobody here. I'm leaving immediately. Back to the same terminal. Let's see. I will stay again tonight here. You recognize this lounge? I'm in the same one. Doesn't even feel cool anymore to have everything free. Now it became night. So tonight is the last night. And I'm going to do the logical thing, trying to get caught. I'm going to tell to the security what I'm doing. And let's see what they're going to do with me. Thank you guys. Have a great night. There is a guy with a red bag with flip-flops surviving for 7 days in the airport. If you see him, report him.
Report him. Report that guy.
Yeah.
That was a random stranger, but then I found the security that I was searching for, and I was ready to tell him the whole truth.
Sir, what is your job here?
Terminal supervisor.
And you report if there is any people living in the airport. I want to report that there is one person living for 7 days in this airport.
Really? Oh, who is that?
Me?
Yeah. Find everything all right?
Yes, it's like a hotel.
It's like a hotel, right? Well, are you experimenting like just living at an airport?
Yes, and you can live in an airport.
I don't think so. I have seen, movies and all that.
You are doing your job correctly.
I hope so.
I literally told him what I'm doing, but he didn't even believe the truth.
I can't believe what just happened. There are people responsible to check the area and supervise the area. This is my bed for the last night. Tomorrow morning I have a flight. I'm going to miss this place. I just woke up and booked a flight to go home. Now I'm like every other human being in the airport, going to my flight. I will miss this airport. Goodbye, buddy. After 7 days of living in the airport, I'm going home. Actually, this video was so much fun to make, honestly. This is my plane. Now, time for the quote.
Never ever underestimate the importance of having fun.
Please comment, like, share, subscribe and press the notification button.